What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renato Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on Wednesdays. Now, today we are going to talk about part 5, building a positive credit habits in this 7-part series of rebuilding your financial health. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much. If y'all have not watched part 1 through 4, I'm gonna stick those up here, okay? And y'all can go ahead and catch up on them before y'all come back to this one, okay? But there's no order, so y'all can actually watch them at any time. I thank y'all so much for watching. Now, if y'all have any tricks or tips that works for you, that got your credit score up fast, please put them down in the description box below. And if you want to let me know what y'all want to actually hear, what y'all want me to talk about on here, and what you want to know, okay? I'm happy to help. I'm here for you. We're actually doing this journey together. And if you want to know more about what I'm doing to improve my credit as well, hey, put it down in the chat and I'm happy to share, okay? So part 5, building a positive credit habits, okay? Now, the first thing that you need to do is paying your bills on time, you guys. That is like 35% of your credit report is paying your bills on time. Importance of timely payments. Explain how late payments can negatively affect your credit score tremendously, okay? If you are late on one payment, it will drop your credit score 100 points, you guys, and it will take you 2 years to get that back to where you need to be. Trust me and believe. So don't be late, and if you do, contact them and let them know ahead of time if you can actually extend the date, or you can tell them that go ahead and pay for the bill itself, and then let them know that you had some type of family emergency, and see would they actually go ahead and take it off your credit report, because most of the time they will. I've done it, best believe me. So get it done, okay? Set reminders. We all have a cell phone, you guys. Come on, put a time each and every month on your cell phone and set a reminder. Use your phone to remind you each and every month that this payment is due, or you can actually put it on automatic payment, okay? Do the minimum balance, put it on automatic payment, so when you see it comes out your account, you know, be like, oh dang, I need to pay that, and then go ahead and pay the remaining balance or extra payment on that account, okay? Because it works for me and I do it consistently, okay? And that's highlight the need of paying on time across the boards. You need to make sure you pay your bills, make sure you pay your credit cards. So the reason why you need to pay on time is because of the fact that excuse me, you want the lenders to know that you can be responsible. And if you can't be responsible with taking care of your own, they're not going to let you get any money if you can't take care of yours. Excuse me, you guys. Okay, so make sure you are paying your bills on time, if not early, okay? Managing credit utilization. Understanding that credit utilization explains the concept of credit utilization is actually using the credit card and how it impacts on your credit score, okay? So if you use this card and you go above 30%, it's going to drop because of the fact that you're using more than what they want you to use on your credit report, okay? Next is paying more than the minimum. Pay more than just the minimum balance on your credit card, because of the fact that you're going to wind up paying a lot more in interest rate, okay? Now, next, somebody's up. Tay, hold on, baby. Okay, regular reviewing your credit report. Check, periodically check up on your credit report, okay? It is very important that you review your credit report for any errors or unauthorized accounts. And also, you can get a free credit report with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You get 1 year, once a year, a free credit report with each bureau. So make sure you do that. And then if you see anything that that you don't recognize, please dispute it. And also on your credit report, update your personal information. You should have one address on there and one phone number. All that other stuff you need to take off because it's too much. And if you have a job, it should be only one job, not a whole bunch of them, because they see that you have multiple addresses on there and multiple phone numbers. They think that you're not stable. So you need to make sure that you update it to what's on your license, okay? And begin getting new credit cards, okay? Make sure that you think about what type of card that you want to get, okay? Because the next card that I'm thinking about getting is airline miles. So if y'all know any great cards that are airline miles, please put them in the description down below and I will definitely check them out, okay? And also you can actually open up multiple cards at one time, the multi-card strategy. If y'all want to know, I'll let y'all know in another video. And make sure that you're not periodically applying for new credit cards, because these inquiries, they will tell on you, and you do not want no more than 5 inquiries on your account. If you have more than 5 inquiries with Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you will get approved with some, but not all, okay? They like to see below that 5 because they know that you're not fishing, okay? And also responsible borrowing, and please consider before taking a new debt, making sure that you're actually being able to pay for it, okay, you guys? So if you know you can't pay for that card, don't get it, okay? So we're actually using these cards to create that worthiness, and also building that banking relationship, okay? I did a video right here, I'm gonna put it here, about banking relationships. You need to learn how to build a banking relationship with that bank, so that way when you go and apply for a loan or a business loan or whatever, they're gonna be like, oh, I know her, she's a great person, you know. It's all about who you know and what relationships you have, okay, and some of your credentials, bottom line, okay? So make sure you start building that banking relationship, okay? And that's the one reason why you need to open up a bank account. If you do not know how to open up a bank account, I will put that up here, okay? So you'll have that information up. Now, next is building a solid credit history. Be patient and persistence. Now, you have to make sure that you're building a strong credit history, because you want to make sure that it's paying on time, because building this strong credit history is 35% of your credit. So you want to make sure that you are putting your best foot forward. You want them to see what you want them to see, okay? So doing this will help it so much more, okay? And keep old accounts open. Some people always recommend to close old accounts. I say just keep them open, and just buy a piece of gum off of them. It's just a credit card. Just use it sporadically, okay? Just do not close that account, because that account is helping you with your credit report because of the history. And especially if it's good history, you want to keep that account, okay? And make sure you have a mixture of credit cards. Even though it's only 10%, you want to have that mixture on that cards, okay? So today we actually talked about paying your bills on time, managing your credit utilization, review your credit report, opening new accounts, building a solid credit history, okay? These things will these are action takeable measures that you need to do to actually help you improve and maintain a positive credit habits, okay? Following these strategies, individuals can establish a strong foundation, a healthy credit management, and a long-term financial wellness, okay? So please take hold of this information. Watch this video again if you need to, and let's start building these businesses. And also, if you are looking to start a business, I did a video about businesses. I'm gonna put that here. and you need to actually look at it and figure out what you want to do out of life. Okay, working a 9 to 5 is awesome, but you're not gonna live like the kings that we are. Okay, so my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward, and I'll see you on the next video.